All right, what's going on, micro scale garagers? I don't know why I'm not using my Osmo, but here I am holding my phone again. But as you can see, we are getting daily on the two Ks0s. We're getting 3 Kaspa a day, or weekly, 226 Kaspa. A month, 115 Kaspa. So, I don't know, in my eyes, these little Ks0s, they've been working out for me. You know what I'm saying? They've been getting me Kaspa daily. And that's what I care about. So far, since the last time that we've talked about the Ks0s and how much we've mined on Kaspa, we got 3,000 Kaspas right now sitting in the wallet right now. It's been paid. So last week we got 26 Kaspa, which is good. I really should have looked at it when it was at 5 cent, but I was just buying, not a financial advisor, you guys, but I was just buying Kaspa. So when Casper was at 5 cent, I was buying it. You know, I had like $5, $10 here. I'll send it over in Bitcoin over to Uphold, and I'll grab me some more Caspa. Now the cool thing is about Caspa is that it might end up getting listed on Crypto.com. So let me type that in real quick. All right, so here we are on my X profile or Twitter. I still call it Twitter. Oh, that's cool. Playtron. I'm really thinking about putting Playtron on Adrian's Loki Zero and just logging into his Epic account and Steam OS account because he don't have a GOG account, and then playing on I think it's called Game OS from Playtron for the Sui X01. So I'm gonna check that out. But there was some people Crypto.com. See, like every time Crypto.com posts something on X, I go in here. It's just like my little thing. I just say, Caspa. Just give them a Caspa, dude. So every time like I go in there, you can find some. You might find some. I'll be like new listing, like Binance. I'll be like Caspa. You know what I'm saying? So want that capital K in there. But sometimes you'll find like cool. See, look, there's an AIM Neo 2S. Expedition 33 runs great on the OX1. Yeah, because it's a 79U processor. Like my Loki Max has a 6600U processor, Ryzen 5. That comes with a Ryzen, I believe they're Ryzen 7s. They come with a 7800U processor, and then the new 2S comes with the 8800U processor, which we're not getting with the Sui X01. We're not getting the 8800U processor. But that's really cool because I want to play Expedition 33. I've been waiting to play it. I've got it on my Xbox, but I haven't wanted to play it. But just, looking at the price of Caspa and stuff like that. But just wanted to give you guys a quick vlog on what my miners been doing, ASIC miners, and I'm really thinking about trying to order some more. I haven't went on Ice River. I'm trying to think. I haven't been on Ice River in a long time. Work and painting the house. The walls are gray now. I gotta go get new blinds, paint my door, get ready to lay the flooring down. Got a lot of work to do. Working on my backyard, trying to get things ready. I had to move my F-150, so I got that thing moved. It's the rainy months right now in May, so you can't really work on it outside. So I'm just gonna wait till it gets warmer and work on the vehicles and everything like that. But it's just a quick vlog. I'm hoping that their price will pay it. That's crazy. So now everybody is just trying to get Caspa listed on Binance, I guess. Ah, there's the Sui XL1 right there. I bought it just because it has the Sui branding on it. Not financial advice, but I do hold some Sui. Sui, Caspa, and Solana are probably like my big three. I will be buying back in Ethereum. I feel like Ethereum's going to $10,000 a coin. I feel like Solana will be at like a $500 coin. You know, this is just, I'm not talking about like tomorrow at the end of this bull run, because right now we're in like a little bull run right now. And I'm not talking about like next year. Hey, next year Solana could be at 500. For Sui, I think Sui's gonna go first. It's gonna hit like $12, $11. These are just my futuristic price predictions. $12, you know what I'm saying? And then it's gonna drop back down. Everybody's gonna sell, and we'll be right around like a $30, $20 Sui. So buying Sui at $4, $3 right now, and if you're looking at it for the long run, 2 to 3 years, yeah, buy your Sui. But if you're looking at short terms, if the charts and the prices and everything that I was looking at, I wouldn't be buying Sui right now. I would wait till Sui consolidate, go back down to $3.20, like last night. I think it was like it almost hit like $3 or something like that. Somewhere around there. A couple days ago, I know it hit right around three. All I know is I put in a buy, and I grabbed some more Sui. For Kaspa, I'm gonna say price prediction for Kaspa, we're gonna go over 20 cent. If not, we're gonna hover at 20 cent, consolidate at 20 cent. But I think it's all high time high. It's gonna hit right around like 30 cent, 50 cent. You know what I'm saying? To be real, dreamy, me dreaming like in a couple years, like 5 years, I could see a $5, $10 Caspa. That's just that's just how bullish I am on it. You know what I'm saying? Next year price, I could see Caspa at like Doge's price, 80 cent, 60 cent, 70 cent, hovering that dollar. You know what I'm saying? Especially everything that's going on. Get listed on crypto.com, get listed on Binance. You know what I'm saying? For sure. A dollar, for sure. Holding over. My video cut out, but for sure. I believe that the price would be that. But I'm just going to say like, share, subscribe, you guys. Peace and love. God bless. Flow like water, you guys. Stay up, keep your head up. You know what I'm saying? I ended up cutting my hair. You got to be a new. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get ready for the newness. You know. So whatever God got in plan for us, we just stay headstrong. You know what I'm saying? And stay in God's light every day. Pray, 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 because it's bad out here. But we stick together. We stay with God, and we communicate, and everything will be all fine.